Hello, this is Airdrop Sniper. Today, we're mining Chakra, a Solana DePIN platform. I look for strong backers and early access. Chakra meets both. Let's start farming. Chakra turns web traffic into AI-ready data. It's followed by Solana's official channel. Chakra helps AI firms cut web scraping costs. You earn airdrops based on leaderboard rank. Now let's see how to farm. First, go to their website. Then click on Install button. Install the Chrome extension. Once installed, open the extension. Click on Next. Click on Get Started. Log in with Google account. Make sure that the status is online. Now your extension has started to farm. There's only 4,654 users. It's at their very early stage. So start farming now. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.